Welcome to today's video. We're making the most satisfying dessert ever in ASMR style. Get ready to enjoy every sound, from mixing to dripping icing to the final cut. Let's begin. Here are our ingredients: flour, sugar, butter, eggs, vanilla, and a silky smooth chocolate ganache. Just listen to the soft rustle as each item is placed down. First, we combine flour, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Notice the whisper of the flour as it falls and the gentle stir of the whisk. Now the wet ingredients. Listen as the eggs crack, the butter melts, and the vanilla flows into the bowl. Gently fold the wet mixture into the dry, creating a smooth, silky batter. Each stir is calming. Each fold is satisfying.
Now we pour the batter into the pan. Watch the slow, even spread and hear the soft, heavy flow of the mix.
Our dessert bakes quietly in the oven. Listen closely to the faint crackles as it rises. Fresh out of the oven, the cake cools. The crust is delicate, the steam is soft. Let's take a closer look at the cake's surface. Soft, airy, and delicate. Every detail is calming to watch. We carefully slice the cake into layers. Listen to the blade glide, crisp yet soft through the sponge. Our frosting is rich and creamy. The whisk makes a calming rhythm as it blends into smooth perfection. We spread the frosting slowly, layer by layer. Every swipe of the spatula creates a gentle, relaxing sound. Here comes the most satisfying part. Watch and listen as the icing drips slowly down the cake. Decorate with soft swirls and gentle sprinkles. Each movement is delicate, every sound pleasing. Before we take a closer look, let's add a glossy finish. Just watch how the glaze shines, catching the light beautifully. Let's enjoy the texture sounds. The frosting, the crumbs, the drip. Every detail has its own calming rhythm. Now for the first cut. Listen closely. The slice goes through, smooth and crisp. A slice is placed gently on the plate. The sound is soft, satisfying, almost whisper-like. Let's enjoy a calming drizzle on the slice, a finishing touch before the first bite. The fork sinks in, tender, moist, irresistible. Every press, every lift has a soothing sound. And that's it, the most satisfying dessert ever. If you enjoyed the sounds, the textures, and the calm, Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.